Empurani. We are going, but as usual, Bangalore traffic, fashion.
A few moments later.
I really liked it.
I also loved it.
Finally done. How do you like it?
I really liked it. It worked for me.
Loved it. I honestly, some parts I felt were better than the first part. The only thing that I didn't like was the long action sequences.
And we just saw Lucifer again yesterday. I heard a lot of people say that go in with korch expectations, so it'll work.
Go with zero expectations.
Zero expectations. But I didn't get bored at any point. I mean, I really liked it. Not even bored. I got goosebumps and all.
Full tight script.
Some background score really worked. Some I found a little
Yeah,
jarring.
but thank God he didn't have an item song in this one at least.
Yeah. It's a different universe.
I can understand why people some were disappointed, but
Also, when you compare commercial cinema, this is, I feel like,
Yeah.
as good as it can get.
also now there are two people, Prithviraj the actor and Prithviraj the director. It's a full circle that comes in this movie. Again, not much related to the first part.
Yeah, not at all. It's
Like-
a different world, different universe.
Yeah.
Just some small parts of the first. So
Yeah.
don't go in thinking that you're going to see the same Kerala politics in totality. Or just go with, okay, there is nothing from the first part. Then
Even Mohanlal, my God, some scenes, though he's just walking most of the time, full goosebumps.
he'll
Loved
come
it.
in between, he'll go.
Yeah.
There's a lot of intrigue, right?
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
think third is going to be fully him. That's
Hopefully,
why people
hopefully.
are a little upset.
Wait for the end of the movie as well.
Yeah. That
There is a
Easter egg sort of.
They also revealed the
No,
song.
they haven't revealed
I
yet.
will.
But yesterday when we were watching, we saw Empurani like, oh, he revealed the title. So maybe
Yeah.
this is it.
Yeah. Wait till the end and watch. Do comment down below to figure out if you think that's what the name is going to be, or if Prithviraj is going to be like, ha, psych. Every time I look at a cross, my brain is.
First minutes, no, I got goosebumps. I can't believe I'm watching a Malayalam movie. Like the set, the action, the quality, the cinematography, everything felt like never seen like a Malayalam film in this scale. No,
The action alone I felt could be trimmed down because Papa Prithviraj also needs some screen space and all, no?
came for the action.
Anyway, let us know if you watched Empuran and you know what the third part's name is going to be. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow.
Follow.
മലയാളത്തിൽ കുറച്ച് പറയാ പ്ലീസ് എൻ്റെ ഭാര്യ
എന്തായാലും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക് ഷെയർ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്
അതെ പിന്നെ കാണാം ഓക്കെ ബൈ പീസ്
You should speak in Malayalam.
Peace.
Cute. Peace.
പീസ്
ഞാൻ പോകുന്നു. Bye bye.